Here's how you can turn off video call background effects on your Samsung phone. So go ahead and turn off effects from settings. During a video call, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Then tap on video call settings and go to background section. Then select none and this will disable any background effects that has been applied. Another thing you can do is you can reset video call effect settings. So open your settings application, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now search for video call effect and then tap on it and clear its data and cache. You can also confirm to delete that you want to erase all the settings for the video call effects, and this will remove all the video call effect setting, including any background images that you've set. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.